Connection. This program will give you connection between each other as young people, older people, generations. My name is Simon van der Lug. I'm a pastor of a Christian church in the Netherlands, and I hope to be your guide answering questions and discussing questions with young people here in the program. Questions about what is life? What does the Bible tell about your life as a man or a woman, about creation, about Jesus? Whatever questions you have, we hope to answer it and make connection. Rabata, connection.
Do not forget to like the video, subscribe PTL TV, and press the bell icon to receive notifications.
Jesus is the light of the world.